Okay, let's hard reset this Coolpad Canvas from Cricut. Okay, the phone must be power off. Remove any external memory card to save some files like pictures, videos, applications, music, everything, because everything is gonna be deleted with this. This is basically a factory reset on this phone. So make sure also that you know your Google account, because after the factory reset you will require to confirm Google. If you fail to do so, you won't be able to use your phone. So please make sure that you have your Google account information. Okay, with the phone power off, we're gonna start using volume up and power key. As soon as the phone vibrates or the Coolpad logo appears, you're gonna immediately release both keys, okay? And then we're gonna wait 5 seconds. We're gonna see an Android package on the screen with no command message. So just wait 5 seconds, and then you're gonna press the same keys, volume up and power, at the same time, just like one push and release, okay? And then we're gonna have to see a recovery menu with some blue letters on the screen, and then we're ready to go from there. Okay, ready? Volume up and power key, same time. Phone vibrates, release, volume up and power. Okay, no command. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna press volume up and power, push, release. Okay, sometimes you won't be able to get this menu at the first time. Okay, so just if the first time it doesn't get, just wait another 5 seconds and push release. Make sure that you press at the same time. Okay, push release. Okay, so in order to get the menu. Okay, so now we're gonna use volume down, and we are going to, let me fix the zoom here. Okay, so using volume down, we're going to highlight wipe data factory reset. Okay, and then we're going to use our power key, which is going to be our enter or okay. And now last step, using volume down, we want to confirm. Okay, so we already spoke about that everything is going to be deleted on your phone, including emails, um, passwords, and then applications, contacts, videos, pictures, and everything. So you are ready, just press power key to confirm. And now you're gonna see a message saying wiping, and last step, you're gonna see reboot system now. Okay, so when you see that, just press power key, and your phone will reboot at this point. So okay, it's gonna take some 5 to 8 minutes for you to get to home screen. So just make sure. Okay, so just we're gonna wait there until we're gonna be able to get to the home screen. Okay, so if a logo Cricut gets stuck there more than 8 minutes, or even Coolpad logo, or and then that means something is wrong with the motherboard. So just remove the battery, wait 5 seconds, and start over again with the same process, using volume up and power key. Sometimes we overload information on the phone system, so that's why we need to do like hard reset a couple of times in order to calibrate the motherboard, like I said. So, and also if you experience a lot of drop calls, or you're using your phone and just go off, then that means something's wrong with the system. So just make sure that you perform a backup so you can save all the information on your Google account, like emails, passwords, pictures, videos, applications, and so you will be able to restore them after the factory reset using the same email address from Google registered on your phone at this moment. So um, yeah, if you experience those issues like dropping calls, this is one of the great thing that you can do with your phone. Sometimes it's not your carrier's issue, just it's the phone. So you can do that option on your phone. Okay, so we continue holding until you wanna get to the home initial setup. I think is we are almost there. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. There you go. Okay, so now we are on initial setup. Automatically English language is there. No SIM card. If you have an active SIM card from Cricket, go ahead and insert the SIM card, and then turn this phone back on, and then you're gonna get start. Okay, sometimes so far it doesn't have any SIM card, so just skip this step. And now keep your apps and data. If you want to keep that, just touch here so you can register your own Google or existing Google account to continue, or set up as a new phone. That means that you can actually open a new email address from Google, or you have a Wi-Fi or something, just register Wi-Fi, because you will need data in order to proceed and confirm Google. Okay, so just for now you're gonna just skip this step. And Google services, I recommend you to keep everything on, like Google's location, to improve accuracy when you have a Wi-Fi available in your area. You can just register and use any Wi-Fi, so you can save data package from your carrier. Um, Help improve your Android experience. That means that if you have any updates for your phone, you will be able to download it straight from your Google account. So I recommend that leave that on. Go next. Okay, time zone. Just select any time zone and set date. So to move a month back or forth, just use the arrows on the top, and when you have the month, select the day, and when you're ready, just hit OK. Time, to select the time, touch here. Minutes, AM or PM, just select that and hit OK when you're ready. Okay, so this is how to set up date and time. So now let's go and hit next. Nickname for your phone. That means that if you get lost your phone and somebody else find it and they guess your lock screen, and they, after many attempts, Google will consider that your phone has been compromised. So they're gonna ask them to verify the nickname of your phone, and if they fail to confirm nickname, they won't be able to use your phone and access to your personal information. So yeah, I recommend you to set a nickname for your phone for your safety. Okay, so now let's go and hit next. Now you can set up your lock screen with a pattern, pin or password, or you can just go not now. You can set up this later. Okay, so now let's go and skip this anyways. Okay, location consent. So we need to check this one in order to proceed. So location consent, that means that like I said before, if you get to search anything on Google, the first thing they're gonna find around your area is closest to your phone location. So just check that. And Cricket user agreement, we need to actually agree to the Cricket user agreement in order to um, for them to let us continue with the phone. So we have to actually say yes, I agree, right? And yeah, so let's go and touch I agree. Now we got on the home screen of this Coolpad canvas. Okay, so yeah, any other question that you may have on your Coolpad canvas, please let me know in comments. And if this video was helpful to you, please leave a like to for this video, and also subscribe to my channel so you can have access to any of my tutorials in the future, any other smartphone that is coming in the market, for so you can have these tutorials. And also please share my videos on your social page for your friends. Okay, thanks so much.